The 2026 Iran war didn't erupt overnight. Its roots stretch back decades, through revolutions, nuclear disputes, and rivalries that shaped the Middle East. Let's uncover how history set the stage for today's conflict. In 1953, a dramatic shift began in Iran. The US and UK orchestrated the overthrow of Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh. This coup left a lasting distrust towards Western powers in Iran. Fast forward to 1979, another pivotal moment occurred. The Iranian Revolution transformed Iran into an Islamic republic under Ayatollah Khomeini. This shift led to a staunch anti-US and anti-Israel stance. This new ideology fueled hostility with Israel. Israel perceived Iran's revolutionary fervor and support for Hezbollah as existential threats. Each side prepared for potential conflict. Now let's discuss the nuclear dispute. Iran's nuclear ambitions began under the Shah's regime. However, after 1979, these ambitions became deeply controversial. In 2015, the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, or JCPOA, aimed to ease tensions. But when the US withdrew in 2018, disputes reignited. By the early 2020s, alarms rang as intelligence indicated Iran was nearing nuclear weaponization. Turning to regional rivalries, Iran backed militias across Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, and Yemen. This intervention challenged US allies and altered the balance of power in the region. The Strait of Hormuz, a vital oil route, became another flashpoint. Iran repeatedly threatened to close this critical shipping lane, raising global tensions. Israel's security doctrine also played a crucial role. The nation's history of preemptive strikes, like those on Iraq in 1981 and Syria in 2007, shaped its future actions. Thus, a decision was made to act against Iran in 2026. Moving forward, we reach the breaking point. In February 2026, US and Israeli forces launched Operation Epic Fury. This operation targeted Iranian leadership and critical nuclear facilities. Iran quickly retaliated, striking US allies in the region. The situation escalated as the Strait of Hormuz was closed, triggering a global oil crisis. Leadership changes added another layer of complexity. The death of Ali Khamenei brought Mojtaba Khamenei to power, intensifying Iran's defiance. The global impact was profound. Oil prices surged, threatening economies worldwide. Regional escalations followed as Hezbollah and similar groups expanded their attacks. In response, European nations mobilized forces in Cyprus. Meanwhile, Russia and China condemned US-Israeli actions, deepening international divides. The 2026 Iran war is not just about missiles and strikes. It's the culmination of decades of mistrust, nuclear fears, and regional rivalries. History reminds us, conflicts rarely begin in the present, they are born from the past. Stay informed about global affairs. Subscribe for more insights.